Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Introduction to Salesforce. So in this video we are going to see what is Salesforce, Lightning Experience or Lightning Mode into Salesforce, what is Classic View, then we'll see brief about Sales Application, and in that application what are the roles and responsibilities of lead, account, contact and opportunity. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based software platform. This platform helps businesses manage their customer relationship and data. So here we are seeing two terms, customer relationship and data. So these two terms are very important in any business scenario. So managing the customer relationship and their data. These are playing the crucial role in any organization. Basically, it is a cloud-based application where companies store all their important information about customers like contact details, what is sales history, what are the interactions done by an employee for a particular customer. So this all is going to be stored in this application. Instead of using multiple spreadsheets, emails or notebooks, this application keeps everything in one place. So in the earlier days we are maintaining the registers for their businesses, for their customers, clients, but nowadays all is going to be handled by a application, and that application must be handy. This helps businesses keep track of customers, manage sales, provide customer service, and run marketing campaigns all from one platform. So, if we are maintaining this all on one platform, then we are going to get know what the next step we have to define. It's especially helpful for making sure that salespeople, support teams, and managers have the right information to make good decisions and keep customers happy. So, if the data we are getting at only one platform and as per the user's requirement, they are viewing their data, so these peoples are getting a perfect data. Because it is in cloud, this application can be accessed from anywhere on any device with internet. So here uh, internet is mandatory to access this device, making it convenient for teams to collaborate and work efficiently. So as this application is on cloud, so we can access this from any device like mobile, laptop, tab, and from anywhere with internet connection. Lightning experience. After login to Salesforce, by default we are landing on Lightning experience page. So as soon as we provide our username and password, we are get logged into our Salesforce account, and by default what page we are seeing, that is Lightning experience view. Lightning experience in Salesforce is a modern user interface that enhances productivity and helps user work smarter. So as it is using the modern technology, so the persons or the peoples who are using this application are more productive and working smarter. It offers a more dynamic way to interact with application, focusing on improving usability, accessibility, and overall performance. So, as this is built on new technologies, So it is also much more effective and interactive. So making it usable, accessible from anywhere, and the performance wise also it is better. It is more user friendly interface compared to the older classic version. So we are going to see what is classic version in Salesforce. So a brief about classic view. When Salesforce came into picture in 1999, then the primary view that is launched by the Salesforce, that is called classic view or classic version, displaying interactive layout for managing opportunities, tasks and leads, allowing users to drag and drop records between stages. So the design of the page is interactive, and we can drag and drop a particular object to any place as per our convenient. Displays all customer interactions like calls, meetings, emails in a single timeline. So if we are working for a particular client, then for that particular client we can view all the interactions at one place. So how many calls happened, what we had discussed in the meetings, what are the mails we had sent it and received, this all the information we are getting at one place. Designed for responsiveness, making it easy to access Salesforce on mobile devices. So this is responsive, and we can use this application on mobile device as well. So let's see, after getting logged in into Salesforce, what the view we are seeing. So after putting the URL login.salesforce.com followed by username and password, hit the login button. Then by default we are redirecting to a lightning experience page. So at the tab also we were seeing lightning experience, and this is the setup we are getting. If it is customized, then by default we are going to redirect to our application. So at the left side our company's logo will be, in the middle there is a search setup. So at the right side we are seeing global actions, guidance center, help, setup, notifications and profile. At the left side we are seeing 9 dots. This is called app launcher. If we are searching for a application or we need to view a application, then we have to click here, search for our application. So as I am going with sales application, I need to search sales. Here sales application we are getting, click on this. So we are redirected to sales application. So again, this is the logo of this application, then the name of the application, and this is the tab bar. Then there is a search box, and at the right side we are seeing global actions, guidance center, help, setup, notification and profile. And this is the dashboard what we are seeing in the home page. So basically sales application is working on campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunities. Then a report is for reporting, and dashboard is for viewing the information. task, files, chatter, groups, and if there is more tabs, we are seeing in the more drop down. So this view is called as lightning experience or lightning view or lightning mode. Then again coming back to our PPT, classic experience. Salesforce Classic is the original interface of Salesforce. It is straightforward. So first this classic version came into picture by Salesforce. It is having a simple interface. Design is basic and functional with easy navigation for essential tasks. So it is having a simple design. Compared to Lightning, Classic is more rigid in terms of customization and functionality. Classic isn't mobile friendly and lacks the responsiveness of the Lightning interface. Newer features like advanced dashboards, Kanban views, and some app building tools are only available in Lightning View. So let's see what is Classic View. So we need to click on a profile. Here we are seeing our profile. This is the name, then this is the URL, then setting. Then if we need to log out, we have to click on log out. Display, two formats, comfy and compact. And in the options we are getting switch to Salesforce Classic. If I am clicking on this link, it will redirect to Classic View. So clicking on this. So if we are comparing the Lightning experience and Classic View, we are getting so many similarities. So at the left side we are seeing the logo of the application. Then there is a search box and search button. And if we need to switch to Lightning experience at any point of time, we need to click on this link. Then there is a user menu and it is having a drop down. So it is holding my profile information, my settings. Developer console is for only development purpose. By clicking on this switch to Lightning experience, also we will be redirected to Lightning mode. And if all we need to log out from this org, so we need to click on log out. Then we are seeing the setup, then help, and here we are seeing all the applications. So sales application, service, marketing CRM classic, app launcher, and so many applications are here. Then at the left side, recent items is there, recycle bin. In the middle part, username and post, file, new events, and in more, there is new task and all the details are there. So this is the summer release, it is saying. Initially when Salesforce was introduced, so we were seeing this view only. Then again coming back to our PPT, sales application. The sales application in Salesforce is like a digital assistant for sales team. It helps businesses keep track of potential customers, current clients and sales deals all in one place, making the process of selling smoother and more organized. So it is keeping the track of potential customers or new customers, also including current clients, what we are doing the business with our current clients, and which deal is closed and which deals are supposed to close. These all the things it is keeping at one place. Sales application is a one stop shop where salespeople manage everything related to their customers and sales pipeline. So in the sales application, we can do all related to lead, company, person, and doing the business. It helps teams stay organized, follow up on leads, close more deals, and ultimately sell more efficiently. So it is making the leads in an organized way, taking the follow-ups, collecting all the information for a particular lead, that all the information we can keep track in sales application. So again, coming back to our Salesforce org, if we need to switch to lightning experience, we need to click on switch to lightning experience. Here we are seeing the sales app. So sales app is basically working from campaigns. So any company, if they are launching the product, they are doing so many campaigns, and in the campaigns they are getting know that what is the demand of particular customers related to that product. So these information we are collecting in campaign object, or we can say campaign table. This is a table, and it is having the collection of rows and columns. Rows is having records and columns is having fields. So next we are seeing lead, account, contact, and opportunity in respect to sales application. So what are leads? Think of a new lead as a potential customer. So this app helps track people who are interested in our products or services. So leads are mainly working on the customers or potential customers. Accounts, once a lead become a customer, they turn into an account. The app stores all the information about these accounts, like company name, contact details, and interactions. So all the things related to that company, that information we are going to collect into accounts object or accounts table. Contacts, these are the people we interact with at each company. The sales app let us save their details and keep track of the communications with them. So in contact object, we are going to store the information of individuals. Opportunities, opportunities represent potential sales deal. The app helps us follow each deal, showing what stage it's in, like negotiation or closing, and what steps are needed to finalize it. So opportunity is like a deal or business. So let's see what are the leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities in sales application. So click on leads. So if we are clicking on a new lead, it should be like this. So it is having the fields like name, in that first name, last name, then there would be the company information, title, then lead source, from where we are getting this lead. Is it from website or phone inquiry or referral, or we had purchased? And if it is not categorized in this list, we have to put other. Then industry. So this is belonging to which industry, like agriculture, banking, biotechnology, chemical, communication, consulting, education, and so many are there. Next, what is the annual revenue? Then at the right side we are seeing the information. Phone is the individual's phone, or to whom we are talking, his phone. Then mobile number, then fax details, email, website of that particular company, lead status. It is for automation. So lead status: open not contacted, working contacted, closed converted, and closed not converted. So suppose there is a customer and that customer is potential customer, as we are talking to do the business. And so at the initial phase we have to update with working contacted, rating, hot, warm or cold, number of employees. So address information is there, so we are going to provide the address information. Then additional information: what is the product interest, then the code of that particular product, how many number of locations, current generator, primary. Then at the end we are seeing that description information. So if any description is available we have to put here itself. So finally we are going to save this lead. Then what is account? Account is a company. So if I am clicking on new, so it is holding the information of any company. Account name means company name. Maybe their parent company name is also there, then we have to choose this one. Then account number, account site, type. Type is of prospect, customer direct, customer channel. So this can be customized as per our business scenario. Next, again, industry. From which industry this company belongs? What is the annual revenue of this company? Rating is hot, warm or cold. So phone number of this particular company, fax number of company, website of company, ticker symbol, ownership is public, private, subsidiary or other. Then how many employees are there? Is there any code for that company? So all the things are not required with all the companies. Then address information, it is having billing address and shipping address. Additional information, so these are some additional informations as per the business need. Finally we are seeing description information. If any description having this company, we are going to put here and click on save. So next we are going to see what is contact. If I am clicking on new, so contact information, here name will be there, first name, last name, then to which company it is related, so that is account name. So what is the title of that individual, in which department he is working, what is the birth date of that employee or individual, to whom he is reporting. So this lead source, when this lead is came into Salesforce organization, by which way this came, is it came from website or phone inquiry, partner referral, purchase list, or if not anyone, then we have to choose other. Then that employee's phone number, home phone number, then mobile phone number, if other phone he is having, fax, then email of that particular individual, assistant, assistant phone. So all the details are going to be filled here. For all the business scenarios, for all the companies it is not required. Maybe some information is required for company A, but it is not required for company B. So we are going to customize as per the business need. Additional address information, again mailing address and other address if there is, we can put here. Additional information, then language and label. Description information, if there is any description related to that individual, we can put here. And finally we need to save this record. Then coming to opportunity, click on this, and if we are clicking on new, so opportunity name means account name or company name. So what to which account it is related, it is coming over here. Type, is it existing customer or existing customer replacement or existing customer downgrade, or it is new customer. So we can choose any one of them as per our scenario. Lead source, again from which source this lead came into Salesforce. Amount, then close date, at which date it is closed. What will be the next step? Stage is prospecting. Qualification, it is going to be according to the business. Probability, it is going to be dependent on this. So if I am selecting any stage like prospecting, it is having the value of 10%. So primary campaign source is there any. So additional information, order number, current generator, tracking number, main competitor, delivery or installation status, it is in progress or yet to begin or it is completed, and description information. If we have any description for that particular company, we have to put here and finally save this record. So this is the thing what we are doing primarily for the sales application into Salesforce. So next we are going to see how to convert a lead into account, contact and opportunity, and some more into depth that we are going to see in next video. Thank you.